National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:35 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across much of the city of Tucson. Up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tucson, Davis-Munson Air Force Base, Casas Central Base, Drexel Heights, Flowing Wells, Mesa Verde, South Tucson, Catalina Foothills, Tucson International Airport, Sabino Canyon Recreation Area, Summit, Saguaro National Park East, and Rita Ranch. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Northeast Pima, Arizona,